My name is Glenda and I live in Folkestone. I was badly affected by the flash floods in 1996. It was the 12th of August 1996 and I woke up and I was aware that it was raining heavy outside and it was thundering and lightning. I needed to do an essay for my nursing, so I was sitting on my settee with my nursing books around me, and it was thundering and lightning very badly. I remember closing the windows and feeling quite nervous because I'm not a great lover of storms. I looked up from my work because I couldn't concentrate because of all the noise outside. And I looked to my kitchen window and my golly, the water was nearly to the top of my kitchen window. And I felt a feeling of panic. I thought, oh, I'd better take some pictures upstairs, my precious things. And I took my nursing photograph, which was hanging on the chimney breast, and the next minute, amidst a roar like an angry bear, I was swept up into this huge, massive tidal wave which came from everywhere. I was engulfed in this water and felt myself going down, 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 and I really thought I was going to die. However, I bobbed up again to find utter chaos in my home. Everything which had been calm and steady just a few minutes before was bobbing around amongst me, furniture, tables, everything, and I was among it. And how was I going to get out? I grabbed the seat on which I had been sitting minutes earlier, which was a foam cushion. I used it as a life raft really, and I bobbed along to a window to call for help. Dropped one key, thought, please God, help me in this, to get out of this. Bobbed along to the next window, managed to open it to see people looking down into my home, and I shouted help. They got the fireman, and the fireman came in. I was never more pleased to see these two yellow hats coming through the water. It was inexpressible relief that I was being rescued. When I came back to my house and the water had subsided, I was shocked at the state of my little home. So I always used to think of it as my little refuge against the outside world. It was like a child's, those toys where you lift them up into the air and everything had just been dropped, just mayhem. It was just like that. But everything had nasty sewerage on it, and it wasn't nice at all. And the smell, I remember the smell of the drains. That was horrible. The Salvation Army came and they took some crockery to wash, which was lovely, but things like photographs, that saddened me greatly. I lost a lot of photographs. It took a long time to recover, really. I did go back to work, but I felt that I was still suffering, really. It took more than 6 months, because it takes longer than that for a house to dry out. So really it took perhaps 2 or 3 more years, because we needed everything, new furniture, new everything in our home.